Thin, translucent bands of marble tied the arms to the torso. Now it was time to free them. To begin, a small hole is drilled. All is going well until my tool jams, so I have to stop and fix it. Then it's just opening, opening, opening. Once the right arm is freed, I switch to the left. Except for this one, I need to start with holes at the top and at the bottom. The process takes hours of work, but it finalizes the curves of the waist and the arms. Sanding begins with a group of papers in 120, belt, electric, and hand. That takes out all of the scratches on the surface. Then I work with 220 to 320 to 400 so that the surface actually achieves a soft glow. At its best moments, it's repetitive. In its worst, your hands get torn up. But I became very good at applying Band-Aids. Every little inclusion or bruise needed to be sanded out, while highly detailed areas like the belly button and ears needed to be carefully sanded so as to not lose any details. As gripping as sanding is, I will spare my viewers the 40+ hours of footage that was required in real time to go from 120 to 220 to 320 to 400 grit sandpaper. I just wish you could feel how soft and smooth it is. So she is now sanded from the head to the waist and to the wrist, which means it's now finally time to lift her up onto the higher pedestal.